Okay everyone, so I posted messages on the boards and the forum of Mazdaspeed forums, and this is the noise that I'm hearing, so let me just drive around for a little bit. If you can hear that clunking, clicking noise, like that's the noise I hear. It's only coming from the left front, it's not coming from the right front. I think it might be that I need a new front axle on my left side. Everybody on the forums is saying that I need new front end link bushings. To me it sounds more like a axle thing, but I'm gonna post the video up on YouTube. And it only happens when I drive slow. If I go highway speed, it's almost non-existent, but it only happens when I go slow. It gets worse. It's worse in the mornings. So, alright, I'll post the video later.